Hey Foodie Family, I know we said we were done with this meal prep journey vlog series, but I got a bonus video for y'all today because I know some of y'all are tired of cooking, so let's make some salads. Okay, so let's get right into it. I love a perfectly boiled egg for my salad. Not only does it create flavor and texture, but it gives you some extra protein. And when we keep dropping all these pounds, we're gonna need that protein to help these muscles pop out. Now, have you seen parts 1 through 4 of this vlog series? If so, comment down below. If not, after this video, just go back and watch. They are all very short videos. Okay, so I love a crunchy, crisp salad. And nothing says crunchy and crisp and cool for a salad than some great romaine. So I got a head of romaine that I am chopping up. And I'm just putting all my ingredients into a big bowl here. Now, have you subscribed? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications if you haven't. For my cucumber, I'm using an English cucumber because to me, they're just a little bit more crisp. Y'all see my little niece back there? I'm on auntie duty, y'all. I got a 2-year-old in my house. Okay, let's get back to the salad. So cut up all the cucumbers, and I just striped it, the peel down with a peeler because I love the contrast of that light green and dark green. I have grape tomatoes here, and in the summertime, this time of year, spring, summer, tomatoes are ripe and they're so sweet. And what kind of toppings you like on your salad? Do you like onion? I love red onion because it's kind of sweet and crisp, but sliced really thin like I did on my mandolin. Now for the protein, I have a jerk chicken breast here that I grilled. I'm adding some kale, and I also added some spring mix to this mix to get all those nutrients in this salad. And all the ingredients that we prepped are going in. And look, I'm going to put a little cheese on here. Now just, if you decide to use cheese, look at the back of that packaging. Make sure you get your portion. Don't put too much cheese on it. All right. And Kalamata, Greek olives, because I like that saltiness and brininess, you know. It just really, and the texture too. I love varying textures. So I'm just mixing it all up. And then I have some dressings that are made with yogurt. And I also have some light balsamic dressings. What kind of dressings do you like on your salad? There are my 2 salads. I got one over there with some blackened shrimp. And then the jerk chicken salad. These are perfect for summertime. Put these in your rotation. Comment down below. Let me know if you have loved this meal prep journey vlog series. Go ahead and comment and like too, and I'll see y'all next time.